Now we are going to draw a few problems in sections of solids. Now, when we are sectioning a cone in different manners, we will be getting either an ellipse or a parabola or a hyperbola. We have studied in that class. If I am sectioning this cone using an inclined plane, I will be getting the ellipse as a true shape. If I am sectioning the cone parallel to the end generator, a section plane that is parallel to the end generator, I will be getting a parabola. And if I am sectioning a cone parallel to the axis, I will be getting a hyperbola. Now both these two questions we have done in the class. Now we are going to do this problem. Okay, we are going to section this cone using a plane that is parallel to the axis. Okay, so we are having a cone. Diameter of base is given 60 mm, axis is given 70 mm, and it is said that the section plane should be perpendicular to both HP and VP. That means a section plane will be like this. Okay, it will be a perpendicular plane in top view and front view. So we will be seeing a vertical line in both top view and front view. If the section plane is perpendicular to both HP and VPs, we will be seeing vertical lines in both top view and front view. So we will be getting a section plane like this. So first you draw the top view, you draw the front view also. Okay, make sure you are not drawing any generators. Okay, usually whenever we are drawing a cone, we will be drawing 8 different generators. Here we are not drawing any generators. We are just drawing the top view, that is a circle, and front view, that is a triangle. Okay, you can just draw 2 generators. One is a horizontal and a vertical. Okay, you can name it as A, B and C, D. So here we will be getting A dash, here B dash, C dash, D dash, and here we will be getting O dash. Now, the section plane should be perpendicular to both HP and VP. It should be 10 mm away from the axis. So I'll be marking a point 10 mm away from the axis, and then I'll be drawing a vertical line. Okay, we'll be seeing the section plane in both top view and front view as a vertical line. So I'll be drawing the section plane like this. Now, if you want to see the sectioned surface, you have to go for the end view here. Okay, from top view and also from front view, you won't be able to see the section surface. You have to go for the end view. So for drawing the end view, already we are having our XY line. You leave some distance, you draw another vertical line. It's called X1, Y1 line. Okay, auxiliary vertical plane. I'll be drawing X1, Y1 line. Now, you first project the topmost and the bottommost point. Point C and point D, I'll be projecting it horizontally till this vertical line. Okay, and I'll be projecting this horizontal line also. Okay, so I'll be projecting this point, and this point till this vertical line, and using this point as center, that is O as center, and each distance as radius, I'll be rotating it. First this point as center, this distance as radius, I'll be rotating it. So D will come here, that will be D double dash. Next I'll be rotating this point. O center, this distance as radius using your compass. Again you rotate it. I was rotating A and B, so I'll be getting A double dash and B double dash here. Next, project C till this point. Take O as center, this distance as radius, rotate it. You will be getting C double dash here. Okay. The height of the cone is again 70 mm. So from here you take 70 mm, you mark O double dash and then complete the end view. So the front view and end view will be exactly identical. So this will be the top view, this will be the front view, and this will be the side view. And this is our section plane. Now we are going to use a separate method for finding our section points. You can see that this point is touching O dash, B dash. So in end view, it should lie on O double dash, B double dash. We'll be getting a point here. So this point correspondingly, it will be lying exactly at the center. This is lying on O dash, B dash. So it should lie on O double dash, B double dash. Next, this point is lying on the base of the cone. Now, base of the cone means in top view, we'll be having a point here. We'll be having a point here. So you have to again transfer this point to end view again using the same steps. First you project it horizontally till this vertical line. When I am projecting it horizontally, I'll be getting a point here. When I am projecting it horizontally, I'll be getting a point here. Using your compass with O as center and these two distance as radius, you rotate it. Okay. When you are rotating it, you will be getting a point here. And when you are rotating this point, you will be getting a point here. Okay. So the point on the base, I'll be getting here and here. So the true shape that we are going to get is a hyperbola. The hyperbola is going to start from this point. The topmost point of the hyperbola will be here and the end point of the hyperbola will be here, and we are going to find some intermediate points. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to draw generators wherever we like. For example, after some distance, leave any distance you like, you just draw a horizontal line. Okay, you can leave any distance you like, you just draw a horizontal line and naming it as P dash, Q dash. Okay, I'm just drawing a horizontal line. Now what you do is, you using your compass, you take half of P dash Q dash as radius, and in top view take O as center. Half of P dash Q dash as radius, O as center. You cut 2 arcs on this vertical line. Okay, I'll be getting a point here, I'll be getting a point here. Okay, so this will be P in top view, this will be Q on top view. We'll be getting P and Q here. Again, project it and rotate it in N view. So first I'll be projecting it horizontally. I'll be getting points here. So point Q will be somewhere here. Sorry, Q will be somewhere here, P will be here. So I'll be projecting it Q here. I'll be rotating it. Okay, so I'll be getting points here. Now what you do is, for getting these points, first you project P dash Q dash sidewise. First I'll be projecting P dash Q dash sidewise, and then I'll be projecting this point, the point that I got here, I'll be projecting it upwards. Okay, so I'll be getting a point somewhere here. I'll be getting a point somewhere here. Okay, so for getting this point, what I did was, I took half of P dash Q dash as radius in my compass, I took O as center. I cut 2 arcs on top view, I'll be getting a point here, I'll be getting a point here. Project it horizontally, rotate it, project it upwards. And project it horizontally here also. Both these lines will coincide, I'll be getting 2 points here. Similarly, draw another line. I'm naming it as R dash, I'm naming it as S dash. Again, take half of R dash S dash as radius, O as center. Again, cut 2 arcs. Okay, this will be R, this will be S. Half of R as radius, O as center, cut 2 arcs, we'll be getting R and S here. Again, project it, rotate it, and project it upwards. Project this horizontally also. So I'll be getting another point here, I'll be getting another point here. Similarly, I'm drawing one more line. Okay, do the same steps. I'll be getting a point here, I'll be getting a point here, project it, rotate it, I'll be getting another point here, I'll be getting another point here. Okay, so this is the starting point. You have to complete all these points, and the finishing point will be here. Okay, join all these points using a smooth curve. It should be a hyperbola. So join all these points using a smooth curve. Now you need not find a true shape separately. This itself will be our true shape. Okay, once you have identified all the points, you draw the section lines. So we'll be getting the true shape and the section plane also like this. This will be our hyperbola.